Jeff Bezos launched Project Prometheus in November 2025, a stealth AI startup backed by $6.2 billion in funding.
The mission is to build world models, artificial intelligence that understands the physical world, not just text and images.
Project Prometheus targets industrial manufacturing, aerospace, automotive, semiconductors, and drug development.
By simulating how real things behave, Prometheus can find microscopic flaws in jet engines before they ever leave the factory.
Co-founded by Bezos and former Google executive Vic Bajaj, the company is headquartered in San Francisco with offices in London and Zurich.
The team has grown to 120 employees, poaching top researchers from OpenAI, Meta, Anthropic, xAI, NVIDIA, and DeepMind.
Prometheus acquired General Agents, a startup with video language action models that turn visual data into real-world actions.
The core technology is world models. AI systems trained on massive amounts of multimodal data from physical interactions.
These models can simulate airflow around an airplane wing or predict exactly where a machine component will fail under stress.
In March 2026, Prometheus began seeking $100 billion to buy and transform manufacturing companies across key industries.
By April 2026, the startup reached a $38 billion valuation with backing from JP Morgan Chase and BlackRock.
In June 2026, Prometheus raised $12 billion in Series B funding, bringing its valuation to $41 billion.
Unlike chatbots that process text, Prometheus AI understands physics, materials, stress tolerances, and real-world mechanics.
The company plans to sell its technology as software tools for engineering simulation, design optimization, and predictive maintenance.
Bezos called AI an industrial revolution that will change every industry with benefits to society that are gigantic.
Project Prometheus is building the brain for the physical economy. One factory, one rocket, one medicine at a time.